Hey, welcome to Adobe Photoshop with Mr. Fogelson. We are ready for our next lesson that is going to be generate a new background. So I'm going to go ahead and get right on to it. We're going to go to Adobe Photoshop. Remember, you can access Photoshop through the link in the assignment or on the doc below. All right, we're going to go to Photoshop here, and I'm going to go ahead and go to make sure that I am signed in using Google, and I am. Again, friendly reminder, sign in using Google. Make sure it's your @NX34 account. .com account. All right. The other thing is we want to make sure we are then going to the light bulb in the upper right corner. Going to go to view all tutorials, and the next tutorial we're going to do, and I'm just going to scroll down with the scroll bar here, is generate a new background. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and we've got 3 to choose from here, and I'm going to choose this guy jumping here. And we're going to watch this video here. I'm going to make it full screen and hit the play button.
Sometimes the perfect image can be less than perfect if the background doesn't work. And that's where Generate Background in Photoshop on the web really helps. This perfume bottle is beautiful, but it doesn't offer enough excitement with this flat background, so I'll go ahead and replace it. I'll begin by clicking the Remove Background button here in the contextual taskbar. This bar keeps track of what it is I'm doing on the canvas and suggests the most relevant next steps in my workflow. With the background removed, I can replace it with a solid fill color, an image I might already have on my computer, or for something really exciting, I can generate something entirely new by clicking here in the Generate Background field. I'll add a few text prompts to spice things up. I'll go with something refreshing like splashing water and orchids, and then I'll click the Generate button. Now that's really lovely. Clicking each thumbnail shows me a variation, and if need be, clicking the plus sign will generate 3 more I can choose from. And that's a quick look at replacing a background in Photoshop on the web.
Okay, let's get out of that. Thank you, Adobe. And I'm going to hit the X to exit out of the video. All right, so we have our picture here. This dude's jumping in the city scene. We're going to get rid of that background. Remove that background on that scene. And then we're going to go ahead and generate a background, something exciting here. We're going to go outer space with shooting stars. So that way we've got something exciting happening for our background. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. I think I put too many T's in my outer. I'm not the best speller. That's why I use spell check, right? And it's always a good idea. All right. It still took it, even with the misspell. Ooh, I like that a lot. And I'm going to go with this one because it looks like the foot is kind of like stomping on that really kind of like bright area. It's good emphasis there. All right. So I have my image that I want to save. So friendly reminder, we're going to go ahead and hit download to the computer. We're going to make sure it's on our desktop here. Okay, and feel free to give it, a new title if you want, so that way it makes it easier for you. I'm going to put background image and image. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. All right, it saved it. I'm going to go to the assignment here, and I'm going to exit out full screen by pressing the green button in the upper left corner there. We're going to hit that plus add or create. We're going to go to that file attachment option. We're going to drag and drop the file we just saved into Google Classroom. It's going to load up, and hopefully it loads up pretty quickly. If not, you just have to be patient. And then hit turn in twice, okay? And then that way it's ready to go. You can always unsubmit it if you wanted to tweak and make some changes. But I have it all set to go. Click turn in. It's all good to go. I hit click turn in twice. All right, so now it's your turn. Generate a new background. All right, good luck.